2 or 3.
Multiple.
Yes. All right. Hey guys! So today, Jordan and I are going to be showing you all how to calculate the carbon content of a seashell based on this lab we did. Jordan went ahead and made this sheet where you can input your information. It just makes your life a lot easier, so let's get into it.
Thanks, Savannah. You'll just need a few materials for this lab. You need some oysters, and a measuring container for your oysters, and a weighing scale for your oysters.
Everything for the oysters. So what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and take some water or any liquid, and you're going to go ahead and pour that into a beaker or any container you have. Just be sure that you measure how much of the liquid you're pouring in. So for our lab, we went ahead and did 1,000 milliliters.
So the first step is to count how many shells you have so that you'll know how much CO2 per shell you have at the end.
And then after that, you're going to want to go ahead and weigh your oysters. Make sure you record that number because you're going to need it.
And then you will add your shells to the water.
And then after that, you're going to go ahead and see how much the water has increased, so you can see how much displacement has occurred. And also, you're going to want to pay attention to the
meniscus.
Yes.
So when you measure, you should measure from the bottom line that the water makes. That's called the meniscus. And then you'll get a results page, basically giving you the density, the mass in grams and ounces of carbon contained in your shells, and even how many shells would be equivalent to a gallon of gasoline.
Lots of shells. So a little extra bit for you here. This is just to personalize it a bit more. You can go ahead and figure out how many miles it takes you to go to school or to work, or kilometers too, and go ahead and input that number, and it'll show you how many shells or carbon you're burning per trip.
Yeah. All right. So if you have any thoughts, suggestions, or questions, please feel free to reach out to connect@climatesafe.com.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks.